Twitter Analytics. Let's assume that you have a few tweets out there. Your Twitter is all set up and you are trying to draw content. The next step is to track what works and what doesn't. You really need to be able to follow the user's journey and interactions within your marketing efforts. Twitter has a fantastic tool for monitoring this. There are built-in analytics that will tell you exactly how an audience is interacting with your account. Learn everything there is to know about Twitter Analytics. Turn your analytics on and pay attention to what works and what doesn't. If you don't know about A/B testing, the basic principle is that you post a piece of content twice with a slight difference and see which performs better. It is normally used for apps and web pages, but there is no reason it can't be applied to two similar tweets. It took me a while to really wrap my head around the importance of a data-based approach to digital marketing. I think the biggest breakthrough I made in this regard, or should I say the biggest mistake I was making, is perfectly represented in this nifty little infographic. The time of day had an effect on the responses I saw for my tweets. You should study this and align your posts with your targeted market. I mean, it makes perfect sense, but it's just something I never thought of until analytics made blatantly obvious. This is where online marketing really gets a little bit amazing. All that data and how if you study it with a bit of skill, you can get the behavior of millions of different people down to a science.